Hi, my name is Monica and I'm an eyebrow and permanent makeup artist based in Norwalk, California. So I'm here to offer a little tutorial on how to style your eyebrows in between appointments. So if you just got your eyebrows done but don't know how to style them, this video is for you. So let's get started. Today, all you're gonna need are three things: a brow pencil, brow highlight, and a flat definer brush. So the brow pencil I'm using is from Morphe and it's called Java, and it has a little spoolie. The spoolie is going to help so much. So make sure your brow pencil has a spoolie. If it doesn't, then I highly recommend you buying your own spoolies. It's really helpful when you're styling your brows at home. If you're a client of mine, I give these out in the little care packages that I give you. The brow highlight I am using is from Benefit. It's the Highbrow Dual Pencil in Almond Cream and Honey Glow. And then again, this is a flat definer brush. So I'll link all these products down below if you are interested in getting any of them. Just so you know, these two you can find at Ulta. So at this point, I've gone ahead and done my go-to everyday natural makeup look. And so my face is already done. My eyebrows are the only thing that need to be styled. So we're gonna start off with our eyebrow pencil. What I like about this Morphe pencil is that it's angled and it's gonna help a lot, and you'll see why. I'm gonna start off with my right, and I'm gonna go ahead and start filling it in a stroke-like motion, as if I'm like putting strokes in. Little by little, stroke by stroke. I'm filling in all those areas that have a bit of a gap. And I'm also gonna go ahead and add a little bit of extra pencil down here just because I accidentally overarched one eyebrow. So it happens to us too, brow artists. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit down there as well, but still in that stroke-like motion. Let's see. And then when we get down here to this part, you're gonna go ahead, make sure it's angled this way so that when you go ahead and start, it makes like a line under your brow. So let me get a little closer so you can see. Go little by little, making like a little line. The pressure is very light so that you see the line versus no line. At this point, we're going to make sure the brush is pointing in a direction where we can go ahead and make lines going up very gently. The pressure is still very light. And then this is where the spoolie comes in. You're gonna go ahead and start from the bottom again and kind of brush out all those strokes you just made so that your final look could look like a shadow under your eyebrow hair. Kind of like mimicking a tint. And brush out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little bit more here. Wherever you notice that you are missing some color, just go in and gently apply with light pressure and then just brush it out. So pretty satisfied with that brow. It looks nice and full. And as you can tell, my pressure was very light because my makeup is very light. So I don't want really bold brows with a natural makeup look. If I was doing like a more of a bolder makeup look, then I would go ahead and maybe add a little bit more pressure with the brow pencil. I wanted my brows to have a very natural look right now, so my stroke pressure was very, very light. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll do the other eyebrow. But just for comparison, this eyebrow is nice and filled in, and this one is missing color. And then this eyebrow has like a bit of missing hair here, so you'll notice how I'm gonna match it right now and just add a little bit more pressure on that part of the eyebrow, just so it could be a little bit darker and match the side. So here, just a little bit harder pressure. You could already see how it's like taking shape, and you always stay within the shape that was given to you by your brow artist. Hopefully your brow artist is giving you a nice shape. So again, we're here at the bottom, and we're gonna make the little line going straight into the brow. And now we're gonna go ahead and do the strokes going up to give it that squared look. So I kind of got out of the line there. Okay, so now I'm gonna, from the bottom, go ahead and brush it out. So now both eyebrows look nice and full, but still natural. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with the way I filled them in right now. Actually, just gonna add a little bit more here. So, okay, now I'm happy with how I filled them in. So that was the brow pencil part of the tutorial. Now we're gonna go in and use our flat brush and our highlight. So I'm gonna use the almond cream side. And then for this part, the highlight is in a pencil form so that you can just like line up the bottom. You can do that if you're doing more of a bold look because it will apply more highlight to your skin. But I'm doing a very natural brow look right now. So if you want to go for that natural brow look, then I recommend grabbing the brush and taking color from the pencil onto the brush very lightly, something like this. And then we're gonna go ahead and line up the bottom. So we're gonna start from the inside out. Light pressure. So you see, this is not the finished look. This is just a little run through. But I have the line, I like it, so I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna gently swish back and forth to blend it out. I love this flat brush. If you need to turn it around to the side that doesn't have product on it. And you could go ahead and just keep swishing back and forth as much as you need until it's blended the way that you like. So I'm okay with that. So this is the finished right brow versus the left brow that just has brow pencil but no highlight. You see the difference the highlight makes? It makes a difference. If you're not a highlight brow person, that's okay. Oops. That's okay. But if you are, and you don't know how to do it, and you always go a little bit overboard, then please follow the tip that I gave on using a brush and the pencil and taking the product off the pencil with the brush. Now we're gonna do the next side. I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe the brush a little bit to take off like excess pigment. All right, we're gonna add some product on it. Again, I'm gonna make it kind of even to how I did it last time. Okay, now let's start from the inside out. And the key to this is to go nice and slow. Nice and slow movements to achieve that crisp line. If you rush it, you will get crooked lines. Trust me. And then I got the line. Now I'm gonna go back in and blend. I'm gonna close this real fast. I'm gonna blend. Okay, so at this point, we have styled our brows. And if you feel like there's a little bit of excess makeup, just use your fingers. Make sure you don't touch areas you obviously don't want to mess up. There you go. This is the finished look. All right, so at this point, we have styled our brows using only 3 products. I know most people just use a brow pencil, but if you want that little bit of extra pop on your eyebrows, then go ahead, and I highly recommend using highlight under the brow. And honestly, your eyebrows are the frame of your face. If you have beautiful brows and you know how to style them, your face stands out. Your people, mainly when they look at you, they look straight into your eyes. And what is right above your eyes? Your eyebrows. So eyebrows are very important. They have the ability to completely change the way your face looks. So I highly recommend you are getting your eyebrows done at a place that you are happy with the results. You like your brow shape. It's really enhancing your beautiful facial features. If you're not happy, well, there's many options out there. I am one of them. If you would like to see any other little tutorials, please comment down below. And also, I'm new to YouTube, so it would really help if you like this video and if you subscribe to the channel. I know I don't have much on here, but as I mentioned, I am new, so I will be posting more stuff coming up, and it will all, I promise, have some sort of value. If you like any brow related stuff, if you're a brow artist yourself, then I would highly suggest you subscribe. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day. Peace.